This is wildrose911.com, and we're showing you the rear end out of a Police Interceptor Crown Victoria. What we've done is we've developed new high tensile, high performance track bars for these cars, because these cars have always had a problem. It's called fishtailing, and that's when they corner hard, their rear ends waggle, which sometimes you can lose control, and it certainly is a bad situation to be in a high-speed chase, and then another emergency happens, you have to make an evasive maneuver and your car's already out of control. So what we've done is we've upgraded these track bars and we've removed the fishtailing, which is hard to believe, but here's what a worn-out standard bar looks like. It's moving around, so your whole rear end's moving. This is a good condition bar and you've still got this amount of movement. And pressed steel, very flexible, you can actually move them by hand, so it destabilizes the rear end horribly, and this is just dangerous. And then we come over here, and here we have our new high performance track bars that are tubular steel, TIG welded, polypropylene steel bushed, and look at that. No movement at all. No movement at all there. So you've got these improved ones that we supply, and then you've got the standard ones. Even a good one, as you can see, is just a pressed steel, and a worn out one is a damn disaster, where it's just fallen to pieces because it's rubber bushing and rubber moves so much. So this is a great upgrade. We fixed a problem the Crown Victorias have already had, and with our refurbished Crown Victorias, they're better than they were brand new. So very cost effective, and that's some of the technologies we're using in our refurbished Crown Victorias. We also upgrade the braking system to a .4 racing system, which more than doubles the boiling point. So we're putting a safer, better handling car back on the road at a third of new replacement costs for police departments and municipalities. If you're interested in saving millions of dollars on your fleet, having better vehicles, safer vehicles, contact us, wildrose911.com. We have lots of open bids you can attach to. Don't even have to go through that tendering process. We're in this business to save lives and save cities and municipalities and departments millions of dollars. Call us, we'd be happy to help you out.